There may be one or two or maybe three Christmas items in there as well. Here are all of my pumpkins and mushrooms that I've got out the cupboard. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back here with one of my favourite videos to film. I absolutely love this time of year. Today I'm going to be decorating for autumn and I don't know what has taken me so long. I've been so busy. This is the latest I've ever decorated for autumn, and also I have a B&M haul for you guys as well. Firstly, I'm going to start off with showing you some of the autumnal bits that I picked up from B&M. There may be one or two or maybe three Christmas items in there as well, just because, like I said, I've left it really late, and then we'll get into decorating for autumn. So stick around guys, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so the first item I got is this pack of pumpkins. There are 9 in the box and I really love all of these colours, and I think this item is just really handy to have in any spots that I think look plain. I can just dot a pumpkin and they are velvety. The next item I got, I have so many blankets but can never have enough. I really love this colour. It's really soft and it's 130 by 160 centimetres. I also got this pumpkin candle as well. I think the jar is really pretty and it smells delicious. It smells so good. And then, because why not, I always buy these elbow grease scrubbing pads, and then I saw this with a pumpkin on and thought, why not? It's seasonal and it's practical, so I got one of these. I then got this ceramic white dish as well, which I think I'm most likely going to put on my coffee station. I'll probably do something like that again this year, and I think that would look really cute there. Again, for my coffee station, I've got this caramel syrup, and I'm definitely a syrup in the coffee kind of gal. And then I have a Febreze wall plug-in, and I was looking for something a bit more autumnal, like maybe a pumpkin cinnamon scent, but I couldn't see any of those. The only one they had was apple and cinnamon, which is kind of wintry Christmas. They didn't have anything else that was really autumnal scented, so I did pick this one up. Okay, and then slowly kind of creeping on to some Christmas items, I got this runner for my hallway, and it's got little gingerbread men on. And so every single year I do a gingerbread Christmas theme, so I think that would look really cute in the hallway. Okay, and then again with my gingerbread theme, I got this little gingerbread dish, and this is also something that I'm going to put on my coffee stand. If you don't already know, I am a sucker for a mug. I say this in most of my haul videos because most of my haul videos I pick up a mug, and I'm definitely a sucker for a Christmas mug. And so when I saw this, I thought, how could I not pick this up? Because knowing me, I'll go back and it's sold out around Christmas. So I got this red with candy canes, and alongside my gingerbread theme, I also do candy canes as well. So I definitely thought this was a bit of me. Also need to make sure that I'm stocked up on batteries for this time of year. I feel like this is when the lights come on and this is when everything requires a battery. So I got a pack of Duracell, and these are, how many is in this pack? So these are AA and there's 12 in a pack. Got 2 bottles of vinegar, got some distilled white vinegar, and some ACV as well. These are staples that I buy all the time. And then I got some biscuits. These ones are coconut rings. And then I also got some Maryland minis as well. That's everything in my B&M haul. Now let's get on to decorating for autumn. Here are all of my pumpkins and mushrooms that I've got out the cupboard. And then I've got this tray, or this mat as well. My blanket from last year. My little bat Tweety, and then I also just picked this up from TK Maxx a few days ago. It's pumpkin cinnamon reed diffuser. But yeah, this is my assortment of all of my pumpkins and all of my mushrooms. And of course I've got this owl, which I have every single year. I bring him out, and I've never burnt him, and I don't think I will ever burn him. So yeah, let's get decorating. So as always, I always start with this corner. So I'm gonna take these bits off. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Knowing me, I'm most likely going to rearrange all of this stuff again. So I'm not satisfied. I will keep playing with it until I'm happy, but this is what it looks like for now. And then I have this pumpkin candle down here, which is looking very lonely. So I'm most likely gonna change that around as well, but this is it for now. Okay, so I just put these green apple laces in this jar because I thought this green looks quite spooky. So I've got these, and then we have these salted peanuts by Candy Kittens as well. Okay, then in this box I have like little pumpkins and little mushrooms as well from last year. And then I also have this spooky house, which I'm going to put on my stand. Okay, and then I found this, I think it was in Home Bargains, this Dubai chocolate syrup for my coffee. So I'll be putting this in my coffee syrup dispenser. A few days ago I picked these up from Aldi. These ones are shortbread and I actually have to mix butter and then bake them. And then these ones are gingerbread ghosts and bats, and all I have to do is decorate them. And I'll show you guys how I decorate them as well. So far, I'm not sure what this design is on the belly, but I put sprinkles on the eyes, and then I've outlined this bat. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the center, and then this one I'm really impressed with. I've done like little spiders on the chest and then done googly eyes. So I'm going to continue decorating them and I'll show you what they look like at the end. I got this from Home Bargains a couple weeks back, and it's battery powered. So I put this up on my shelf here, and then I have my fairy lights. Okay, so this is what the shelves look like. So I've got my owl and pumpkin candle that I got from IKEA. And then over on this shelf I've got my pumpkin and cinnamon reed diffuser, a plush velvety pumpkin, and then a ceramic pumpkin. And then on here I have my knitted pumpkin, glass mushroom with pampas grass, another plush pumpkin, a pumpkin candle that I got from B&M, and then my Witch Spells DW candle.